So let's make these beautiful birds using cardboard. Take any cardboard and cut a bird shape. Make 4 like these. You can join 2 if it is too thin. We are going to apply a layer of glue and water, then a tissue paper. Cut the excess part of it. After this, we are going to apply a layer of gesso. Color one bird as red and the other as yellow. Using white outliner, make designs. Like this. Using black acrylic paint or black outliner, you can give some more detailing. Similarly, we are going to make design on the red one. So this is ready. Let's move ahead. For the next one, again we have cut a cardboard in the shape of butterfly. We are going to apply a layer of gesso and tissue. We are going to color it with orange and black. So paint it the black and using white eyeliner, give some detailing. Give some dots like this. So similarly we have make 5 like these. Third, we are going to make a rabbit. Here we have taken a cardboard. Take out a rabbit and cut the another one. Now we are going to cut the another one using scissor. We are going to apply a layer of tissue and gesso. Cut the excess part of it, and when it's dried we are going to paint it with white acrylic paint. We have attached a cotton and a black eye to make its eye like this. We are going to attach paper ears also. Attach one popsicle using glue gun, and these two are ready. For the last flamingo, again here we have taken a cardboard. We are going to trace an outline of flamingo. Cut 2 like these. Apply a layer of gesso and tissue paper. Apply Fevicol and wall putty dough. Make a teardrop shape. You can also use molded clay. Keep this like this to make it swing. Using craft knife, give some detailing. Now we are going to paint it using crimson color. Using white paint, make its beak and neck. Attach two sticks in its legs. Using black color, give some more detailing on its beak. So this is also ready. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.